Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Jimin from BTS Tiny Tan. So let's get started. To draw cute Jimin, let's first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really wide bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across, nice and wide, because these are these cute dolls, right? So we're going to make it nice and round and wide. Go ahead and connect it at the bottom. Okay, so nice big curve. Then let's come back into this space right here where we started, and we're going to draw his eyes. So for Jimin, his eyes are we're going to kind of go straight and slanted down. So let's come about right here towards the edge, and I'm going to go slightly up at an angle, nice and straight, and then I'm going to soften the curve and come down about right here. So let's do the same thing on the other side, about right here. So curve up a little bit, and then we're going to slant down. There. Something like that. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come into this area right here underneath this curve and draw a big oval. Right in the center. And at the bottom right here, I'm just going to cap it off with a soft curve right underneath. So it's the same thing here, right about here. Connect, and then at the bottom, same thing, there's a soft curve underneath. Okay, so now let's go in here and spruce it up. So I will use this curve that I've created, and I'm going to thicken it all up, this top part right here. So this curve is definitely the most important. So I'm trying my best to follow the original Tiny Tan. From there, I'm going to come inside right here, and I'm going to draw a circle right on this corner, and then another one right here for the highlights. And in the center, I'm going to draw another oval. So if you're using if you have a whiteout pen, you don't need to draw these circles. You can do that when you're done coloring and just add these white circles in here. But if you don't, this is just the easiest way, and I'm just going to shade this all in right here in the center. And that is pretty much it. So let's do the same thing on this side. Let's thicken this part up. Okay, so there. Now we have the eyes in, and make any adjustments you need. Maybe a little bit thicker. Okay, so from there, let's give him a sweet smile. So about right here, I'll just come in here and draw a soft curve and cap it off. And now we can go ahead and draw his ears. So right here where his eyes are, I'm going to come out and draw a curve. And inside, we're going to draw two curves. And same thing over here. Okay, and then now let's go ahead and draw his hair. And so nice and round and big. So say about right here where his hair parts towards the side a little bit. I'm going to come about right here and give myself a point. And from here, I'm going to go up and bring down a big strand of hair that comes right back to where we started. So same thing over here. Big curve that comes down and about right here. I'll bring this all the way down and curve it in about right here. So whatever space I have left, I'm going to go in and finish this off in here as well. And then right in here, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve. And his brow, it looks so weird without eyebrows, right? So let's come in here and definitely do that. So come up about right here. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve above and thicken it up. And same thing on this side, so about right here. There, finally. Looks a little bit more complete. Just do some adjustments to my eye now. I'm looking at my camera. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and finish off his hair. So we're just going to come right here and round it off a little bit with a curve. And about right here, I'll go up on this side and go down on this side. So I'm just going to bring this curve all the way down, tuck it right into here. So nice full head right here of hair. So bring this down and we're going to tuck it right into there. Now I should have angled this a little bit more. Okay, so let's angle this a little bit more and then tuck it in there so it's not so round. There, much better. And if you like, you can come in here with some details, some crease lines. And so then now let's draw his body. Oh, actually, you know what? I forgot. Let's give him his earring first. Very important. So I'm just going to draw a little loop and then a little dangle part that comes down and just stick in the bottom. And now his body. So let's come and about right here, center his shoulders here and here. And then right in the center, I'm going to give him a curve for his neckline. And right here, I'm going to start his jacket. So on both sides. So he has this jacket that kind of, so I'm just going to imagine his armpit area about right here and here. And on this side, I'm just going to bring down a slight angle. Same thing as well over here. So let's start to build his jacket. Let's bring this down a little bit more. I'll work on this side first because it's simpler on this side. And about right here, I'm going to bring this down. There's a part that kind of goes over. So I'll bring this down and about right here, go ahead and connect. And I'll just tuck this right in to finish it off. So same thing over here. So now we have something to follow. It's much easier. But right there. And so on this side, his hand is coming out. So just bring this about right there. And to simplify it, I'll bring it in just like the other side. And about right there, I'll go ahead and connect it. And bring this in. Okay, so then now let's come down here, come in a little bit, and we still have another layer of his shirt inside. So I'm going to come right across and wobble across. Come to the center, right underneath his shirt, nice and close. We're going to draw a slight angle line. And then we're going to start to draw his leg. So from the center, Let's come down. And about right here, I'm going to wobble a little bit for his jeans and connect. So same thing over here. So you come to the bottom, wobble a little bit and connect. Just some creases. And then his shoes, nice and simple, just going to pop it out of a curve. So same thing here. Okay, there. Now his arms, so let's come right here. This curve is, and we're just going to bring down sleeve. And this one's nice and simple, just to his side. So about right there. Just cut it off and end it. And for simple hand, just a little thumb and then the back fingers and just tuck it in. And 2 little creases for some detail, 2 little curves. And so then on this side, his hand's coming out and he has the, I guess it's the I love you hand sign, right? So I'll pop this out, continue this, pop it out. Oh, about right there. And about right here, go up slightly, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So then let's work on the hands right now. We're going to come right here and work on the thumb first. Flare it out a little bit, and then the index finger, point it out. And then as you come over here, we're going to draw 2 fingers that are tucked down, so 2 ovals, and then the pinky that sticks out. And then just bring everything right back in. There, and then whatever space you have left, you can finish off the cuffs. There, hopefully I helped you draw that. And then you can add some creases right here for his jacket if you like, for some detail. And he has his red band right here, so add that right here on the jacket. And another part right here for some detail, so same thing. And that is pretty much it. The hardest part is just getting these eyes right, to try to make them look as much as, so it's just like I'm always going back to the eye and trying to fix it. So sorry about that. Just trying to get it a little bit more accurate to the way they look, which just can be really hard with this kind of simplified drawing, right? Okay, so hopefully that helps. And of course, you know what? I'm gonna add a heart right here in the center for Jimin. And that is pretty much it. So hopefully you love how my Jimin turned out from BTS Tiny Tan, just as much as my Jungkook that I did recently. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and to turn on your notification bells so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.